Hello, my name's Melanie and I live in Western Australia. I made a stick. Due to my physical disability, I can't do a lot with my hands and my fingers due to deformities and strength issues. I have a short one that I can use the microwave with. So I'm going to put my dinner in the microwave using my stick. I can turn on the power point with my long stick. And then I pick up my short microwave stick that I keep here. This one I keep clean for kitchen jobs. Push the button to open it. And push the buttons on my chair. I raise my chair up to the right level. I can drive in, push it in with my short stick, change the lid to sideways, throw it with my short stick and press the button.